Ready to take your smartphone videography to the next level? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 AI tracking gimbals for iPhone and Android in 2025. These gadgets are perfect for anyone looking to create smooth, professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. Tune in to find out which gimbal suits your style best. Number 1.
Flow Pro, the new AI tracking stabilizer designed for iPhone. It's the first dock kit-enabled gimbal, Apple's new subject tracking technology. Elevate your iPhone into the ultimate creative tool with seamless one-tap pairing. Just tap and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Track seamlessly with your iPhone's native camera. Be in the know from any angle with the new LED tracking ring light. Stay in frame with Apple Dock Kit's tracking even when you call loved ones. Snap on your phone with the new magnetic phone mount and start filming in a flash. Dock Kit keeps you effortlessly in the frame during your online meetings and live streams with your favorite iOS apps. When you're done filming, fold it up into your bag or pocket and take it with you wherever you go. Set it down with a built-in tripod, perfect for FlowPro's new 360-degree infinite pan tracking. Experience the smoothest tracking ever with DTrack 3.0 in the Insta360 app. With advanced person re-identification, it never loses sight, and the 3-axis stabilization cancels out any shakes for pro-level footage. Capture the best angles and get everyone in the shot with the built-in selfie stick. Flow Pro can even track animals. Record every playtime with your pets in perfect focus and shake-free. No matter what, stay centered and capture every move and every angle as you ride. Create jaw-dropping edits for your family, friends, and followers at the tap of a button with the Insta360 app's easy AI editing. Seamlessly track with Insta360 Flow Pro, the ultimate AI stabilizer for iPhone.
Number 2.
Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer that's as creative as you are?
Sure.
Meet Osmo Mobile 6. It's powerful, easy to use, and makes your videos super smooth with 3-axis stabilization for results that speak for themselves.
Is it heavy?
Not at all. It's ultralight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere, like here or here. And with its magnetic design, you can snap your phone on or off in an instant.
What should I do with it?
Get creative with a new zoom and manual focus control wheel and some excellent intelligent features. You can use the built-in extension rod to capture more dynamic angles. Active Track 5.0 for effortless subject tracking. Like that. Or try gesture control if you're shooting alone. It even has a newly added status panel and 4 preset filming modes that give you great shots anywhere you go.
What if I need a little help?
No problem. There are 2 intuitive apps for shooting and editing. Get some great ideas in the Mimo app's Shot Guide section. Or you could one-tap edit with the Light Cut app. You can even share your masterpiece in seconds.
Are there any cool accessories?
Absolutely. It's compatible with DJI mic if you need pro-level audio. And it works with a versatile fill light that makes you look great in selfies and vlogs.
Okay, last question. Can I film my dog with it?
Of course you can.
Perfect.
Number 3.
Get ready to elevate your mobile filmmaking game with the all-new iSteady V3 from Hohem. With its 180-degree rotation, the iSteady V3 gives you endless freedom to capture every angle of the action. No matter the adventure, the gimbal's 3-axis stabilization ensures your footage stays steady and smooth. Experience the magic of the iSteady V3's AI tracking as it locks onto your subject, providing perfectly composed, smooth footage. You don't even need an app for this. Simply activate AI tracking with gesture control and you are good to go. But that's not all. With a detachable remote controller and built-in extension rod, the iSteady V3 is your go-to tool for capturing group shots. With its lightweight and compact design, the iSteady V3 offers unparalleled portability without compromising on performance. So you can take it with you on every adventure to make sure you never miss a moment. Experience the future of mobile filmmaking with the iSteady V3. Your stories, perfectly stabilized and beautifully captured.
Number 4.
Create like a pro with Insta360 Flow, the world's most advanced AI tracking stabilizer. Snap on your phone. Unfold in just one step and start filming in seconds. With next-level stabilization for capturing steady shots on the go. A built-in selfie stick for unlocking new, creative angles. And AI tracking to perfectly frame your shot. Just raise your hand to start tracking. No matter what's in the way, Flow stays locked on the subject. With slow motion tracking, always get that perfect shot. Or use zoom tracking to let Flow's smart AI anticipate the next move. Even stay in frame during calls or streams.
Say hi, Grandma.
Set up your shot and create Hollywood effects, time lapses, stunning 360 photos, easy cinematic hyperlapses, dolly zooms, dynamic angles, and more creative modes. It's all at your fingertips. Ready to post and share anywhere. Let AI track your game, save your best shots, and create your next reel. Keep shooting with all-day power. Or simply fold it up and charge your phone. Hook up the spotlight and a mic to level up your content. Grab your phone and get out there with Insta360 Flow.
Number 5.
Hold up, now do what you do. Get loud, go ahead, get loose. Get down to business, tell everyone nothing's off limits. You can have anything you want. Anything you want. Tell everyone you can have anything you want. With that brand new style, show off, watch them all get wild. Get down to business, tell everyone, go out and get it. You can have anything you want. Anything you want, watch them all get wild.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.